Yes, hello Manyata. How are you?
Hi, fine.
Okay, what are you going to perform today? आप क्या perform करने वाली हो
Story.
आज? Story.
Story.
Okay, go for it. All the best.
This is the this is the story of Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal was born in 1954 in Kuria village, Garhwal, resided in the state of Uttarakhand in India. She Sharman, state of Uttarakhand in India. He surmounted the peak on May 23, 1984 at 1 o'clock p.m. as per as the Indian Standard Time. She stood the Sagarmatha replaced name for Mount Everest and remained there with one of her co-mountaineers for 43 minutes. Bachendri Pal, born into a family of very limited means, was a middle one of 5 children. She was an active child and did well in her school. The distinguished himself in sports too. Bachendri was the first exposed to mountaineering in the age of 12. It took place during a picnic where she, along with several schoolmates, climbed a 13,123 feet high peak. Night at peak without any food and or cover. In her memory, the experience remained forever. It was the beginning of a love for adventure and the mountains. At 13, like most Garhwal girls, she was accepted to leave a school and help in the house, but she studies on her own at night until the determination impressed her family to let her finish high school. She still earned money and saved in the spare time. The principal of a school resulted her family to send into a college where she beat both boys and girls in rifle shooting and other competitions. She became the first girl in the village to complete the graduation. She also secured the first position in a rifle shooting event, beating other boys and girls. During the college days, later she was on university courses to secure a degree and education and the master's degree in Sanskrit. The family was going through financial troubles and she needed a job disability. However, she was not interested in the offers that were coming to her in spite of these achievements. The job offers came only for low-paid temporary junior level positions. So Bachendri applied to the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering (NIM) of a course she was aiming to become a professional mountaineer. Her family was a despair for her, a prophet. Despair the family. Family and the relatives are the other people's most suitable job for a woman is teaching, not mountaineering, but that did not discourage her. She was judged the best student in the course and marked down as average material. Such a surprise, she climbed Gangotri 219 feet and Rudagaria 19091 feet in a year 1982. During her time at NIM, her mentor was Brigadier Gyam Singh, director of a National Adventure Foundation, who set up an adventure club or a young women to learn mountaineering skills. It also provided an instant job for Bachendri. India sent her fourth expansion, christened Everest 84, in the members of a special group and 6 Indian women and 11 men who were selected to the scale of the peak. The news filled with a great joy and excited in the month of March 1984. Pre-welded team was flown to the Kathmandu, the captain of Nepal, and from there a team moved onwards. In the May 1984, the team started on its climb. In the group, Bachendri was only a woman. The climb not easy. She and her teammates faced many obstacles in the journey of the peak. They carried out the ascent climbing virtual sheets of frozen ice, blending cold winds blowing sometimes at the speed of about 100 kilometers per hour and temperatures touching below minus 30 to 40 degrees. 23 1984, and at 1 o'clock p.m. Indian Standard Time she was standing at the peak 2984 feet with another climber. The peak was too small and accommodate 2 persons around the peak. There was a vertical drop of thousands of feet, so they first anchored themselves to digging their ice axes into the snow, thus made themselves secure. After the Bachendri got down on his knees, touched the meridian with her head, and the Hindu gesture of giving thanks to Amaliti, she took an image of Goddess Durga and a copy of Hanuman Chalisa and placed them in the snow. About 43 minutes she stayed on the summit and took several photographs. Thus she became the first Indian woman to scale the Mount Everest.
Wonderful, very nice, Manyata. I'm really happy. So this is one of our current youngest participant. Manyata, you are 12 years old. Up 12 years ki ho, right?
Yes.
Yes. So our youngest participant of this event as of now. So I'm really happy. Thank you for your storytelling. Keep doing. ऐसे storytelling करते रहना. All the best. Take
Thank
care.
you.
Bye bye.